Oh, no.
Do you want to quit?
I quit.
He said it.
He said it. It's over. Cena retains the WWE title.
The fear in the heart of Batista.
And he still did it.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
There's a shot to the leg of the masterpiece.
Man, oh, man. Look out. Oh. Good grief.
And again, smashing the knee of the masterpiece. Chris Masters, John Cena, that one. That's the STF. That's an STF. John Cena just looked at an STF. Chris Masters can't believe it.
I think the masterpiece.
He tapped. Chris Masters tapped out to the STF.
Oh, John Cena and JBL starting it out. And man, these two have got a tremendous history. What a, that New York City backlot brawl that JBL beat John Cena in at the Great American Bash, still being discussed around the water cooler. And there's a cover.
It was a parking lot brawl, JR.
Well, that's what I meant.
There's a tag, and
I don't know where my luggage is. I don't know why I'm here. I like being here, don't get me wrong, to see you guys. Come back from Michael Cole tonight.
look at these glances and looks from both partners on both teams.
King would be like you beat two of your ex-wives. But you couldn't take your eye off either one of them.
If I'm Batista, I've got one eye on JBL and the other eye on John Cena.
Well, that would be challenging to do, Mike, but nonetheless, Batista trying to overwhelm JBL.
It's called great peripheral vision.
It would be. And
look at the strength of the animal.
What power!
But you got to think JBL's 300, the cover, and Kane interrupting the count. Here comes Cena to intervene for Batista.
You talk about strength.
You just got a feeling this match is going to implode at any moment.
Uh-oh. Look at this.
And what a night it's been here live here on Monday Night Raw. I'm Jim Ross alongside Jerry Lawler and Mike Adamle. And we'd like to be able to have time to explain how this trio got together. It's been a very unpredictable night. Our new general manager, whomever that may be, has made this awesome main event. JBL just clothesline or neck-breaking John Cena. It is JBL and Kane against Cena and Batista.